Good evening, dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how to trade on the broker Roboforex and basically on any broker that you prefer. But in this video, I will specifically be showing about the broker Roboforex. Why Roboforex? Because I have been trading on this broker for a long time and I personally like it. So for this, first of all, if you don't have your own account, you need to open an account. Therefore, go to the Roboforex website, or you just scroll down. I will have a link in the description where the link to the official site is provided. Therefore, I am showing it clearly on the phone. We select this green rectangle, open an account, and enter. A supplementary menu opens up where we need to enter our details. At the top, it's your active email, first name, which is your first name, last name, your last name. Next, your mobile phone number, which should be active. And there is a tab, have a partner code, meaning if you have a partner who invited you, you enter their partner code accordingly. But if you don't have a partner, then enter my partner code. This gives you the opportunity to open additional trading with this broker. This is what my partner code looks like. I will not open an account because I already have an account. Therefore, I will now log into my account and show you how to proceed further. So, after you have entered all the necessary data, you should receive an SMS message to your email where you need to confirm your registration. Therefore, go to your email, confirm the registration, and accordingly, after confirming the registration, you will be directed to the Roboforex website. First of all, you need to go through verification. For this, you need to specify at the top left. Enter this menu and a blue column will appear. Select Profile and choose Verification. So you enter a new menu. Accordingly, for me, everything here is verified. You just need to confirm your email. Next, you will have confirmation using your passport. And essentially any documents that are necessary will be listed for confirmation. Choose the one that suits you best. And also the very last verification will be your registration. That is, you confirm the address of your registration. And after your verification is approved, you should open an account accordingly. We also go to the menu on the left, where the blue column opens. Select account and choose the top line, real account. Next, you are offered the option to open either a real account or a demo account, or everything necessary that is presented further here. Therefore, I am showing how to open a real account. We choose MetaTrader 4, which is already well known to everyone, and basically everything is very simple there, so let's proceed. In MetaTrader 4, we then select the type of account. If it depends here on what type of account you will open. Whether you are opening a dollar account or a cent account, you open a cent account. If, for example, you have a budget of up to $1,000 or up to $2,000, you accordingly open a cent account. Therefore, in my example here, everything is shown on a cent account. Therefore, I choose MT4%, then I choose dollar, euro or gold. Accordingly, I choose dollar. Next, leverage is a credit leverage of 1,000 and below. You create a password and confirm your password in order to open an account. You will have a separate login and a separate password. So, friends, we have registered on Roboforex, we have confirmed our verification, and we have also opened a real account. And now, accordingly, in order to make the first trades, we need to deposit some amount so that we can start trading. Therefore, to start trading here, we select funds at the top and deposit funds, meaning to top up our deposit. I will be demonstrating on an iPhone. For this, you need to go to the App Store. So we go to the App Store, type in MetaTrader. MetaTrader 4. And this is how it looks. So we go into MetaTrader 4. Here we have options to open a demo account or connect an existing account. Accordingly, we choose to connect an existing account. And depending on which broker you have, we enter it in this field. I am entering Roboforex. Also, don't forget which account you opened. If you opened a cent account, then we find Roboforex cent. And if it's in dollars, then Roboforex ECN. Next, we are prompted to enter the login, which is your account number, and the password you created when you set up the account. Click login. We are logged in, and at the bottom we have the workspace panel. Let's start with the quotes. In the quotes, there are provided possible currency pairs. If something is missing, you can add any pair. To do this, you need to select the plus sign at the top right. If it's Roboforex, go to Roboforex. And from the provided options, select the little green plus signs. Click done. If you don't like something or want to delete something, also go to the top left, the pencil icon. Select the pairs and click delete. So let's return to the quotes. Let's choose anyone. Let it be the euro dollar. Select it and choose the chart here. The chart opens up for us. What do we see here as the main elements? At the top left, if you notice, we have D1. This is the time frame. We can choose from a minute to a monthly time frame. If we want to, as they say, look at it more globally, to view the situation on the chart, we select a longer time frame. If we want something more detailed, then accordingly, a smaller time frame. M15, for example. Well, let's choose M1, hourly. Next, if you look at the top panel, we have the first item, which is a plus sign. The plus sign allows you to simply view, well, if you want to roughly look there, where to set stop losses, you just click the plus sign and check the value. Remove it. Further to the right, click. We enter our block menu where there are indicators. We can choose absolutely any indicator you want. Let's, for example, set anyone and it appears at the bottom. If you don't like a certain indicator, then we move here. And by swiping left, we delete it. Next, we have a panel where we can draw on the charts absolutely any shapes. You can also add any object. You can draw straight lines. You can also go back to such curved lines. Absolutely as you wish. And also, returning to the same menu, we can delete. And now let's open a trade together. At the top right, select trade. A new window opens for us. We see two rectangles. There is a sell by market and buy by market. Sell by market. This sets a position for selling, meaning a short down. Buy by market. Accordingly, for a buying position, meaning the chart goes up, by default, market execution is set. That is, if we open here, we also choose the lot size. Let's choose, for example, one lot and sell by market. That is, since we have market execution set, accordingly, we opened at the moment yes without pending orders. To see where we opened the trade, we go to the trade section at the bottom. Cool. And here we see the trade. If we click on this trade once, we will see its information. But since we don't have a take profit or stop loss set, accordingly, to set all this, we swipe left on this trade and select the pencil. So here a window opens, similar to the previous one, but here we see stop loss and take profit. Let's go back again. Go in here, take a look. Let's select this plus sign at the top to find out the value. Let's set it. I will set the stop loss above the high. 1.5 Go back to trading, swipe left. Select the pencil. Stop loss. So we have here no finite. Press modify. Let's see, let's set the take profit. Where to set the take profit? Let's set it, for example, I don't know, let's set it here. Right here, in the middle, 1.049. Go to trading, swipe left. 10, we'll call it.
press modify. That's it. Accordingly, we have set take profit and stop loss. To check, click once on the trade, and here on the left you can see all the values are written. We can also go to the chart. We can mark all this even on the chart. For this we remember the stop loss value, for example. We go to the chart. Well, if you need it, you can just mark it like this. And now let's open a pending order and go to the quotes. Let's say it will be EuroCAD. We also choose the chart. The chart opens. So, daily, yes, let's take a look. Let's look at the daily chart. We select the plus sign so that we can understand the values. And I think that at these values right here, let's do it here. 5 Nissan. We select trade. At the top, we change market execution to sell limit. That is a pending order. And set it up. So let's check. We go out at the bottom on the panel, trade, and we see that we have an order for EuroCAD with one lot, with a pending order at the price. We can also swipe left, modify, and set it up in advance. Stop losses and take profits. Following the same example as we did earlier. Further on the lower panel, if we move to the right, we see history. Here we have the history of trades open for the day, week, and month. And accordingly, we can choose any period. I believe 3 months are available. Now let me show you how to close a trade. For this, you need to swipe left. That is, go back to trading, swipe left on the given currency pair and select this icon, the leftmost one at the bottom. Yes, the check mark, and show the close with the entire profit. $15. We can lock it in. All right, well, we lock it in. Okay. Thus, I have shown you how to trade on the Forex market using the Roboforex broker and our mobile phone with the MetaTrader 4 app. Subscribe to the channel. There will be a lot of useful and interesting content here.